how to set side button to launch Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on Side button. After click on Side button, click on Long Press. After click on long press, you will see Bixby and Digital Assistant. After click on Digital Assistant, click on the Settings icon and click on Google. After set Digital Assistant, go back to home screen and long press side button. You will see Digital Assistant is at. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set side button to launch Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.